How to apply for a job in job portals? What are all the best job portals? These are the contents which we are going to talk about in this particular video. Vanakkam. Welcome back to this channel. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. How to apply a job? How to apply in job portals? How to get rank in job portals. These are the contents which we are going to talk about. Before to apply in job portals, please check out my previous video about resume preparation. You can go and check it in my playlist. You know what? We have prepared our resume. Now we have to use that resume effectively to get a job, to apply a job, in job portals. This is the content which we are going to talk about. You know what? We have prepared our resume. We have to apply jobs frequently in job portals. Three best job portals which I am using. First one is Naukri.com. You know what? In Naukri, you can go and check this performance criteria. Go and check your performance. In that performance, you can see about how many recruiters or a hiring manager they have visualized your resume, visualized about your profile. You have to take that analytics and you have to prepare yourself. Just I have prepared my resume. I have uploaded in my Naukri portal. That's it. It should not be done like that. Every day morning 9 o'clock to around 9:30, you have to open your Naukri.com, your profile, and you have to update your resume. Every day morning 9:30, you have to upload your resume. Afternoon around 3 o'clock, you have to upload your resume. And evening around 6 o'clock, you have to upload your resume. Why means when you are keep updating your profile, your Naukri will automatically project your profile to the recruiters and the hiring managers. Every day you have to do. Just one day is not enough. You have to do continuous process. It's a continuous process. Per week you have to get minimum 5 calls. So Naukri is my first ranking job portals because I used to get many calls in from Naukri portal one day. When I want to search for a job, first 1 month I will keep uploading my resume, and whatever the jobs which I am searching for it, I'll go and apply for the job. And there you can find the recruiter's email ID, note it down and send a different resume. Send your updated resume based on that particular job description. You have to update your resume and then attach it in an email and send it to them. If you found the recruiter's email ID, it is well and good. If not, you can click this apply for the job. Before applying for a job, you have to check the dates. If this job is opened within one day, it's good to go and apply for the job. If the job is opened 5 days earlier, it is waste of your time. If you are going and applying for the job, means already recruiters screened some profiles and they are in calls with their future candidates. So you have to check the date of the job application. One day is very good, and that's why I am saying keep researching on the job portals, keep searching, and you have to identify the job applicant dates and you go and apply for that job. And you have to, if you found this recruiter's email ID, send an email. And most probably your profile and your resume should be exact same. So I had two Naukri portals. Okay, one I have opened recently. Recently means when I was searching for a job, I was keep uploading my resume. What happened, within a week I used to get minimum 5 calls to 10 calls per day. That's it. After that I have deactivated my job portal to identify it. And moreover, the key very important thing is like whatever your resume it may be, whatever skilled person you are you an immediate joiner? You got it? If you are an immediate joiner, you will get many calls, many more calls. But in India, we have 3 months notice period, 2 months notice period. I'll come about those topics in upcoming future videos. So Naukri portal, I have explained. Now let's come into LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the key job portals. In this, I haven't got that much calls, but I used to get many messages. about the job. So here now, if the job is opened immediately, you have to filter it. There is a filter criteria that you can set a schedule like within today. What are the jobs has been created? Go and apply immediately. Don't wait for your time. Immediately you have to apply. If you have your resume in your mobile, just click and upload it. You know what? In LinkedIn is most screening profile, and if the job is open right now, evening 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock itself, the recruiters will screen their profiles. They will get 100 applications. If you are going and applying in 250th position, right? That's it. You will not get chances. You have to create your own chance. Okay. So go and apply immediately. The same thing when I'm coming to the next job portal is Indeed. Indeed.com is very good platform to get notified to the many MNC companies. There also you have to do the same thing what I have explained in Naukri.com. Indeed also the same. But compared to the LinkedIn, I haven't got that much calls, but I got minimum level of messages only. Very rare. If I'm getting 20 calls from Naukri, in LinkedIn I used to get 3 to 4. But I used to apply for the on-site job. Don't go for any paid services. If you want to get a job in on-site, use LinkedIn.com. Naukri will not that much great. LinkedIn can help you out. Okay. Still I am working in those LinkedIn profiles. In future, if I got some result, I can share it to you all. Okay. And most probably, this notice period is one of the crucial thing. Everyone is suffering for notice period only, and we can't take the risks as well. Correct? We do have commitments on money. We can't take a risk factor. It's a very high risk, right? So we can talk about in next video. Okay, to get notified for the upcoming videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you. Next video, we are going to talk about long notice period, how to get a job.